Today we're going to do some air fried catfish. Crispy, make them crispy and tasty. So what we need is to make the mix first. For this we're going to make 2/3 cup of flour, about teaspoon of sugar, teaspoon of salt, some adobo seasoning. It had turmeric. We're gonna get a teaspoon of ginger, teaspoon of California onion powder. You can taste this flour, make sure the mix is not too salty for your fish. You see, you still might need a little of salt, so you add a little bit of, about a little bit more salt in here. We're gonna put a little bit of oil on the fish. A little bit of oil over here too. So we put some oil on the fish and a little bit of teaspoon of oil on the mix of egg. Put 2 eggs. After that, you use a fork to mix the egg and egg yolk together with a little bit of oil there. Oil the pan where you're going to fry the fish. If you like, you can use a little brush and use regular oil too and do like that. So you prepare one pan for the vegetable and one pan to crispy fry the fish. So we have some oil we put on the fish here. We're going to cut them into 4 individual. Just dab some oil over here. Canola oil, any kind of oil is good, and then drop them in here. Going to dip the fish in the egg with a little oil. And then you're going to dab into this mix. Okay, so the fish is now ready to be in the air fryer. Spray some avocado oil on top of the fish. Do it in circle like that. Turn the air fryer on and then go for 15 minutes. After about 9 minutes, take a look at it and then turn it over. We have 1 zucchini and 1 yellow squash. What we do right now, we'll pour some salt on it and wash it. Rub on this. A little oil so it's not sticky when you take it out, and to wash, make it easier to wash, okay? So what we do is we dip these in egg and then dip it in the flour. So after 15 minutes, your fish is ready. Now we're going to cook these yellow squash and zucchini crispy fry in the air fryer. But before that, we should spray oil on it and do it in circles so it's easy. 12 minutes. Now our air fryer crispy vegetable is done. This is your crispy air fry squash, yellow squash, zucchini, and your fish.